Hey there, folks, welcome back to Due Devs. Today I'm really excited because today we are starting a new tutorial series on HTML and CSS for absolute beginners. Well, I decided to start this tutorial series on HTML and CSS together because they go hand in hand, and for a beginner, it's best to learn HTML and CSS together so that they understand how these two integrate with each other. The course is for absolute beginners, and I assume that you have no or absolutely minimal knowledge whatsoever on web development. So, if you are a new developer trying to find out where to go to take your first steps towards development, this is the perfect place to start. So, before jumping in, I like to do a small course plan to give you a rough idea on what this tutorial is going to be based on. So, first thing, it will be completely for beginners. We will start from scratch and see how to build beautiful web pages using HTML and CSS skills. Which brings me to the next point. We will learn the necessary HTML concepts. Yes, after that, we'll learn the necessary CSS concepts. Then we'll learn how to build responsive designs. You must have noticed a particular website looks different when opened from large screen devices like laptops and PCs, and looks a bit different when opened from mobile phones or tablets. That's what responsiveness tackles. We'll learn that. And the most exciting thing about this tutorial is we are going to build two really cool projects from scratch. Wanna know what they will be? Stay tuned. You will come to know exactly as the course progresses. Now, before we start talking about the HTML concepts, I wanna delve a little deep and talk about how websites work. You see, if you are a web developer, you need to know how websites work under the hood. Now, let's say you want to open a bicycle shop. To open the shop, you need to rent some amount of physical space to set up your shop and sell bicycles. The website world works somewhat like that. Just like you rented a physical space of land for your shop, here you need a server. All your website contents, be it images, text, scripts, code, rests on this server. So, how does a random person find this server? And consequently, how does a random person find your website rather? Here comes the role of the domain name. Every server has an IP address, which is essentially a long string of numbers, and a domain name points towards a single port on that IP address. When you enter the domain name in your browser, the internet goes and finds exactly which server the domain points to. It then asks the server for all its contents, and after receiving, displays it to the user visiting the page. Yes, folks, it is that easy. Okay, so without further ado, let's jump into the tutorial and learn about HTML and CSS and hopefully start your awesome career towards web development. Thank you guys for watching the video till the end. If you enjoyed the video and are excited about this tutorial, drop a like and subscribe. So that is it for this video, folks. Hope you have a great day, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye, folks.